introduce the relationship between Bluetooth and the voice. Firstly, is InterWest and Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a dominant data transmission wireless protocol. In the past, InterWest was widely used in data transmissions. It was used extensively for both mandatory and significant purposes. But now, Bluetooth is more popular than InterWest. Bluetooth provides security and fast communication protocols, and the InterWest cannot provide these functions. Let us compare the Bluetooth and InterWest. Bluetooth are used in most mobile devices. For example, it's used in mobile phones, cameras, laptop, video, game consoles, or PC. But for the InterWest, it only works in a few electric devices, for example, the TV remotes. For Class 2 or Bluetooth, the distance are 100 meters. It is able to pass through small barriers, but for the InterWest, the distance is within 20 meters. Also, it is unable to pass through any barriers. Bluetooth is able to communicate between different devices, such as mobile phone to personal computers. For InterWest, it only works with one kind of equipment. For Bluetooth, it is able to send files to more than 2 devices, but for the InterWest, it only works with point-to-point transmissions. Bluetooth is able to transmit files between devices in different directions, but for InterWest, its 2 devices should face in similar directions from positive 30 degrees to negative 13 degrees. The functions and purposes of Bluetooth is far better than InterWest. Bluetooth is few including and delivering. The speed or performances will enhance in the future. Nowadays, more than 10,000 companies develop new Bluetooth devices and applications. Many new Bluetooth technologies appear in the world. There are some examples. Firstly, it is a hearing aid. It allows users to connect to their mobile phone and PDA. It allows you to hear your calls clearly, that the user can enjoy their conversations, TV programs, or listen to music. This is the first purchase monitor. It helps track users' first purchase at home. That information is sent to an access point for Bluetooth technologies. It will send the information to users' medical providers. This is multi-paying gambling. Nowadays, game consoles devices as Wii and PSP are supporting Bluetooth. Users enjoy playing games with no Wi-Fi. This is iPod and MP3 players. Users allow listen to iPod or MP3 player is everywhere. Music is mobile and carefree with Bluetooth wireless technologies. This one is handsets and or earphone. It connects wirelessly to your handsets. Users listen to MP3s on mobile device wirelessly with a pair of Bluetooth-enabled serial headphones. There are only a small part of Bluetooth new products and technologies. New technologies are still developing.